How would you like to start making money online without actually having to make any sales? Hey, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you one simple website that's going to allow you to start making money before you actually make any sales online. We are all about helping people create time freedom that they deserve for them and their family, whether that's through online business or just make money from home opportunities. So click that little subscribe button now, and let's dive in. The website we're going to talk about today is called Peerfly. Peerfly. This is sort of like affiliate marketing, but it's not. It's a little bit different. It's cost per action marketing. So essentially what is going to happen is that you can get signed up as an affiliate on their website. They have different offers that you can use, you can promote on your YouTube videos, on Instagram, blog, wherever you have an online presence. And in order to make money to get paid from it, they just have to take the action that's being requested in the ad. They don't actually have to purchase. No purchase is required. So it makes it a really simple way to ease yourself into the industry. So the link to the website is going to be within the description of this video. So you can click that little drop down carrot, open it up, and click on the website link to get there yourself. But we're right on the affiliates tab of their website, so you can learn more about what this all entails and how it works. So for affiliates, it's a one-of-a-kind cost per action based affiliate ad network. So essentially, they want you to promote their ads, and you get paid when people take an action on that ad, not when they purchase. Another great plus to this website is that it is worldwide. There's no limits that this is only valid in the US or Canada or anything like that. If you're in India, if you're in Africa somewhere, this can still work for you. They will work with you as someone who can advertise for them, allowing you to make money without having to make sales. Now, along with having these different offers you can promote, they say they actually have over 2,000 live offers that you can promote, so that's great, but they also have some training and tools for you to help you get better and better. They've got a rewards program, and they do pay out through PayPal, which is nice. Now, some of the feedback when we dug around online to get some reviews on this site, it definitely works. People are really making money on it. Here's some insights for you to think about. Now, you do want to always only put an offer in front of your audience that's going to be in tune with who your audience is and support a good reputation. There are some of the offers that are kind of spammy and clickbait-ish, so you do want to make sure that you don't just choose an offer that's going to make you the most money. Choose an offer that actually is cohesive with your brand, with your audience, and not something that's just kind of clickbaity and is going to cause your audience to lose some of their trust that they've gained in you so far. That's with all marketing, but something to remember specifically with this website. Another thing to note is that because you're being paid per action, it's not something like when you're being paid per sale and you can make really high commissions from the actions that are taking place. There's no immediate sale happening, so the amount that you earn per action, per click, is going to be a lot less than if someone had actually made a sale. So it's something to get you started and get you some income coming in while you build up your audience, you gain more credibility, and then you work towards more of those programs that are pay per sale, where you're going to get, 30 to 50% of the sales price by promoting their offer as an affiliate. So if you're ready to get started and look at least to see what kind of offers they have from their website, you're going to click this apply today button. Now, you do have to apply to be accepted and to be able to run with their advertising, but be patient. People say it does take a while. They're going to actually make you fill out some information, thorough application, and then they're going to review it, and then they can get you approved. But people are getting approved. There isn't necessarily a problem there. It's just that in this instant gratification world where people are used to just hitting a button and getting in or doing whatever, understand this is an actual application. You need to fill it out thoroughly so that they can accept you into their program and you can start advertising their offers on your blog, on your website, on Instagram, wherever you have your audience growing. If you were to do either affiliate marketing or this pay per action marketing on YouTube, this is how it's going to look. If you see Robert Blake here, he's got a great channel, lots of subscribers, over 400,000 subscribers. And when you look down in his description, look at what he goes into. His camera lenses that he uses, microphones, lighting gear, all this kind of stuff. Those are all his affiliate links, right? So people are watching the video, they look in his description like, oh, well, I need a camera lens, and they click on it, they go purchase it, and he gets paid for that. Pretty simple. Same concept here is that you would tell them why they should click. And in this sort of context, I wouldn't have all of these things listed in here. I would have a shorter description and tell the person exactly why, the benefit they're going to get by clicking this link. And then you're going to have your link in there. They click it. When they click that, you can get paid. If we hop on over to Instagram, this is just a random Instagram account that I found. It's on makeup, fitness, travel blogging, all really big niches and industries on Instagram. So a great one to look at. But this gal, she does all kinds of makeup tutorials. She's promoting her YouTube channel here. She's not actually making a direct offer, but you can use an affiliate offer. You can use any sort of advertisement from Peerfly that fits with perhaps this target audience. So again, you got to find something that resonates with the niche, with the industry that you're building. But when you do, go ahead, throw it up in your bio link here in Instagram. And as you're creating content, all this kind of stuff, every once in a while in your caption or just on a graphic on top of the picture, telling people to head to your bio link for X, Y, or Z. Always talking about the benefit they're going to get from clicking that link, not necessarily the details of what the offer is. So please share, have you gone into pay per action advertising in the past? Have you strictly stuck with pay per sale? I think it's a good idea to do a mix at the beginning of your marketing so you can get some money coming in before those sales start turning over. Now, if you want to learn how we've created our 7-figure online business, make sure that you click the link at the very top of the description so you get access to our training where we walk you through that entire process. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to the channel, guess what? You have to subscribe so that we can help you do just that. Next video up, guys, right up above my head. You can go ahead and click on that and watch that one next. Again, this is Leah Rae from toddandleahrae.com, and I'll see you soon.